Welcome back to Dan the Cleaning Man. Did you know the janitorial industry is over $61 billion and it's growing fast? Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-scale cleaning empire, now is the perfect time. In this video, I'll show you why the cleaning business is booming and how you can cash in on the unstoppable industry. So let's get started.
Lesson 1.1 Overview of the Janitorial Industry. Welcome to Module 1 of the course. In this lesson, we're taking a deep dive into the janitorial industry, one of the fastest growing and most resilient sectors in the economy today. If you're here, it means you're serious about starting or expanding a cleaning business. And let me tell you, you've picked the perfect time. Why? Well, did you know that the cleaning industry in the U.S. alone is valued at over $61 billion? And it's not just growing, it's booming. With increasing demand for both residential and commercial cleaning services, the opportunities in this field are limitless. Whether you're looking to run a small operation or scale up to serve major clients, this industry offers the flexibility, stability, and potential for success that few others can match. Why is the janitorial industry growing so fast? There are several key factors driving the explosive growth of the janitorial industry. 1. Health and safety concerns. Over the past few years, especially after the global pandemic, businesses and homeowners alike are more conscious than ever about cleanliness. Regular cleaning and sanitization have become non-negotiable, and that trend is here to stay. 2. Outsourcing of cleaning services. Many businesses, from small offices to large corporations, are choosing to outsource their cleaning needs rather than keeping it in-house. This opens up a huge market for janitorial businesses like yours to thrive. 3. Urbanization and busy lifestyles. More people living in urban areas and leading increasingly busy lives means less time for individuals to clean their own homes. This creates a growing demand for residential cleaning services. Commercial versus residential cleaning. Which is right for you? To set the foundation for your business, it's crucial to understand the two main types of cleaning services, commercial cleaning and residential cleaning. Each offers its own set of opportunities and challenges, so let's break them down. 1. Commercial cleaning. Commercial cleaning focuses on maintaining clean and safe environments for businesses and organizations. This includes offices and corporate buildings, schools and educational facilities, medical centers and hospitals, retail stores, warehouses, and industrial facilities. Commercial cleaning contracts tend to be larger and more consistent, often involving daily, weekly, or monthly services. The tasks usually include cleaning floors, bathrooms, common areas, and sometimes even specialty services like carpet cleaning or window washing. However, commercial clients often expect efficiency and a high standard of professionalism. These contracts are typically more formal, with expectations for punctuality, reliability, and a well-trained staff. The upside? Commercial cleaning jobs usually result in recurring revenue, providing a stable income stream for your business. 2. Residential cleaning. Residential cleaning, on the other hand, is all about cleaning individual homes or apartments. This service can range from routine cleanings to deep cleans, and even specialized services like move-in, move-out cleans or post-renovation cleaning. When it comes to residential clients, the expectations are often more personal and detail-oriented. Unlike commercial spaces where functionality is key, you're working in someone's personal living space. Clients are not only expecting a spotless home, but are also looking for someone they can trust in their private environment. Because of this, attention to detail and building a rapport with your clients is crucial. While residential cleaning jobs might be smaller in scope compared to commercial projects, they can lead to loyal, repeat customers. With excellent service, clients might hire you for regular cleanings and refer you to their friends, neighbors, or family, helping you build a reliable and consistent client base. So, what's the right path for you? As a janitorial business owner, you can choose to specialize in either commercial or residential cleaning, or even a combination of both. Many successful businesses start by focusing on one area and then branch out as they grow. The right path for you depends on your skills, interests, and business goals. If you prefer consistency and larger, long-term contracts, commercial cleaning might be the way to go. If you enjoy building personal relationships and want more flexibility with your schedule, residential cleaning could be the perfect fit. By the end of this course, you'll not only have a deep understanding of these two areas, but also the knowledge to master both, giving you the ability to offer a full suite of services to your clients and scale your business effectively. Key takeaways from this lesson. 1. The janitorial industry is a booming market with significant growth opportunities in both commercial and residential sectors. 2. Commercial cleaning tends to involve larger, more formal contracts with a focus on maintaining professional spaces. 3. Residential cleaning is more personal and detail-oriented, involving regular cleanings of individual homes. 4. The choice between commercial and residential services, or a mix of both, depends on your business goals and preferences. All right, now that you have a solid overview of the janitorial industry and its potential, you're ready to take the next step. In the next lesson, we'll dive into the practical side of things, setting up your janitorial business. We'll walk through the essentials, from business structure to securing your first clients, so you can hit the ground running. Stay tuned, and let's get started on building your successful janitorial business.